Well, hello there, Ingafay here. I am so excited to share with you another bestseller Mary Kay product today. Let's get down to it, shall we? Well, today we are going to talk about the Mary Kay primer. Have you ever used this? This is an excellent product to use. It really helps with the wear of your foundation. So in this video, first and foremost, I'm going to tell you about the benefits of the primer. We're going to talk about when to apply it, and then we will also go over some reviews of some people that have used the product before and what they're saying about it. Okay, let's do this, shall we? Okay, so let's talk about some of the benefits. First and foremost, when I think about the primer, one of the things that I absolutely love about it is that it fills in fine lines and any craters in your face or wrinkles. Typically, I like this. The primer is something that you apply before you put on your makeup. So when you put it on, it's a gel type of formula. First and foremost, it is oil free. So if you have oily skin, you don't have to worry about your skin getting oilier. In addition to that, it also extends your foundation wear and it fills in those fine lines, wrinkles, and any, I won't say it fills in the acne imperfections, but it does help it definitely smooth over for sure. And one of the ways that I love to use this is before. Now, I do have another video that tells you how to have what I call a foundation souffle. So this is the next thing about how to apply it. How would you apply it? I like to apply it using the souffle method. And I am going to actually tag the video and put it in here so you can actually see it, so you can check it out for yourself. It really helps you apply your foundation with ease, and it makes it so easy the way this works. But you definitely want to put this on before you apply your foundation. Another thing that I absolutely love about this is it has an SPF of 15. So if you are not allergic to sunscreen, this is excellent. Another layer of sunscreen depending on how you put your sunscreen on. I know personally I use our daytime protector in the Time Wise Miracle Set, which is the last thing I put on before this. So that sunscreen is a 30 SPF. Then I put this sunscreen on, which is a 15 SPF. So it's layering my sunscreen, so I have extra sun protection when I go out into just outside. Now, I know some of you may say, well, I don't need sunscreen. I'm not at the beach. Just know that the sun is hitting you when you are walking from your car to your job, or your car to your house, or your car to the grocery store. Also, it is also hitting you while you're driving your car from your windshield and your side windows. So just because you're not going to the beach does not mean you don't need to wear sunscreen, because you do have sun exposure just in everyday life. So just know that going in. This is one of our Mary Kay bestsellers, and I wanted to not just tell you what I think about it, because I absolutely love the product, but just so also to let you know that this product has, of all the people that have rated the product, 100% said that they would share this product with their friends. In addition to that, it also has a 4.9 rating out of 5 stars. So people just love it. The first review says that they've been using this product for over a month and they felt like they were using more than what they needed, but they had discovered that it was really the wrong color that they were using. And once they figured out the right color, that they were completely satisfied, and they gave it 5 stars and said they would definitely share it with their friend. Another one said that this was one of their favorite products, that it goes on so smooth and it feels silky, and she loves the SPF of 15 because it makes her face feel so smooth. So again, if you're looking for something that's going to extend your foundation wear, not add any excess oil, that's oil free, is going to fill in any imperfections and really extend your foundation. For the foundation that we have now is the Time Wise 3D foundation. That is a 12-hour foundation, but just know that when you put your primer on, if there's any kind of humidity or anything like that, it's going to even help that foundation stay on even longer so it doesn't run. And I know for me, that's very important because I live in a very humid environment. I live right here on the Gulf Coast where the humidity is kicking every day of the summer. So just being able to know that when I put my foundation on, that it's going to stay. makes it a huge benefit to me. In addition to also, if I'm having some kind of hot flash, because I have those a lot these days, that my makeup is going to stay intact. I just need to get somewhere cool to cool off. So what I would love for you to do is to share this video with 3 of your friends. If you know anybody that's looking for something that's going to actually extend their wear, help them fill any imperfections in, and really makes their makeup, when I say makeup, I'm speaking of their foundation, go on really flawlessly, this is definitely the product to have, the Time-Wise Foundation Primer. You'll see the link down in the description. As always, share this with 3 of your besties, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.